I really need the Chester right now, but Chester is somewhere over the rainbow.
Chester's dead?
No, I left him somewhere and I just kept continue traveling, vlogging.
He's vlogging?
Yeah. I'm a vlog feature vlog VTuber. Vlogger. Vlogger. Vlog vlogger. Vlogger. Kronii, I don't want to kill someone by my jokes, okay? Don't die. No, that's not even my jokes. That's my English. Vlogs, VTuber, vlog, YouTube VTuber, vlogger. You're killing Kronii. Easy,
What's
don't die.
happening?
No, you know vlogger on the internet.
What's happening?
Vlogger. You know vlogger, right? You know vlogger, right? Moona, vlogger. Yes, right? Yeah, vlogger. But how to be a vlogger VTuber? Because vlogger is usually YouTuber, right? Vlogger, YouTuber. But if you're a VTuber and then your content is like vlogging, it's like what? Vlogger VTuber?
I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what?
Vlogger. Vlogger. You know vlogger? Please stop. Why? Vlogging. Tahu gak sih yang itu traveler? Why? I don't even know why Kronii is laughing that
Sorry.
loud. Maybe she's just so happy. I don't know. I don't get
I'm just having a moment.
Oh, you're just having a moment? That's
yeah.
nice. Oh, pronunciation again? What? Hold on, let me check. Vlog. Not like that. English. What? Vlog? I don't know. Vlog? What? I don't know. Oh, I don't know, guys. This is so painful.
Oh, sorry.
VLOG? No?
Yeah,
What's going
yeah.
on? I don't know.
Is that
Yeah.
one? Sorry. I just heard something else as well.
All good, guys. All good.
Yeah.
It's like when you say laugh and sounds like laugh. I don't know. Yeah, pronunciation is hard, right?
It is.
Yeah.
It is hard. It is
Yeah,
hard.
it is so hard.
I didn't mean
don't know.
to. I didn't mean to do that. It's just
Nah.
it sounded. It just sounded like something else.
Understandable. It's okay. My fears help me so much. But yeah, still though, I still haven't gotten the answer yet.
What
Don't
kind of
say
answer
it,
do you
please.
want?
Traveling.
Just don't say it.
Nah, I said it on the other way, on other ways. Yeah. So if it's like you're traveling and you're a VTuber, then how? Right? Yeah. Virtual. No, stop. Later, if I say that, Kronii gonna be laughing like.
So how
crazy
to say
again.
it correct, Kronii?
See, yeah, how? VLOGGER, how?
Vlogging.
What?
Vlogging. What? See?
What?
Moona, you said it. We probably gonna have the same pronunciation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Try.
actually don't get it because usually in
Try
vlogging.
first. Moona, you try
Don't
first.
perceive me, please.
Usually our Indonesians say vlogging, so
See, is it right? Is she right? No?
It's like it starts with a V, so it's vlogging.
It's the same, right?
same.
Vlogging.
It's the same.
It's like subtle, but
It's
vlogging.
not the same.
yeah. Vlogging.
Also, it's like vlog.
Yeah,
Not
like
flow. It's vlog, but not flow.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. It's vlogging. Oh, okay.
Yeah, vlogging.
Oh, it's with A, Kaela. It's with A, not with O. That's how we pronounce it, I guess. Flogging,
flogging.
No.
Also, it's not the feet.
Like softer.
Flogging.
Flogging?
Like that? I don't know. That's painful.
Flogging?
Vlogging. Moona saying it right.
What?
Flogging?
It sounds the same.
It's softer, like vlogging.
Flogging.
You know what? No, I'm not gonna say the word
So
again.
it's,
I'll
it's like
just.
FLAO.
You're doing a good job. It's just
No.
that English
I will.
is just,
No,
it just
I
doesn't
will
make
change it. I will have the other way. I'll say it. Flogging. What?